My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Gotmydatafast. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover at least some of your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open any of your files without troubles. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called Gotmydatafast may be very easily injected into the computer. It is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Gotmydatafast extension to the file names. It is then impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay it, don't waste your money. What I recommend you to urgently do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. And I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. The software will update its anti-malware database first of all, so do not skip that very important step. Just wait until the antivirus database has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And then you will start noticing that some threats have already been identified. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way your data would always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to add certain folders that would always be protected. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. But Combo Cleaner is sufficient and powerful enough to effectively detect and remove this horrible ransomware. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.